You lick it, you stick it. It's a simple, almost mindless action that we do without a second thought. You probably don't think much about it, but have you ever wondered what makes that envelope stick so well? I'm talking about the glue on the back of an envelope, that thin strip of adhesive that holds your secrets, your bills, and your love letters securely inside. It's a simple thing, but it's essential. Without it, our mail system would be in chaos. And the best envelopes? They use gelatin, not some synthetic goop. Gelatin is a natural adhesive that has been used for centuries. Today we're going behind the scenes at Royal Envelopes to see how they make this everyday magic happen. This factory is renowned for its high-quality products. It's a process that's both fascinating and surprisingly complex. From the machinery to the meticulous quality checks, every step is crucial. We're talking about turning animal hides into a product so pure it can be used in food and medicine. Yes, the same gelatin that makes your envelope stick is also found in your gummy bears and capsules. Trust me, it's a lot more interesting than it sounds. The transformation from raw animal hides to a versatile product is nothing short of alchemy. So get ready to roll up your sleeves and dive into the fascinating world of gelatin manufacturing. It's a journey that will take us through science, history, and a bit of culinary magic. We're going to break down every step, from the raw materials to the final product. You'll see how animal hides are cleaned, processed, and transformed into gelatin. And by the end of this journey, you'll never look at a sealed envelope the same way again. You'll appreciate the craftsmanship and science that goes into every single one. The process begins with the careful selection and cleaning of animal hides. These hides are sourced from various places and are thoroughly cleaned to remove any impurities. Next, the hides are cut into smaller pieces and soaked in a solution to break down the collagen. This is the first step in extracting the gelatin. The hides are then soaked in large vats for several days. This soaking process helps to further break down the collagen and prepare it for extraction. After soaking, the hides are heated to extract the gelatin. The gelatin is then filtered to remove any remaining impurities. The filtered gelatin is poured into molds and allowed to cool and solidify. Once solidified, the gelatin is cut into sheets and dried. Quality control is a crucial part of the process. Each sheet of gelatin is inspected to ensure it meets the high standards required for use in food, medicine, and adhesives. The final step is processing the gelatin into adhesive. This adhesive is then applied to the back of envelopes, ready to be licked and sealed. So the next time you lick an envelope, take a moment to appreciate the journey it has been on. From animal hide to adhesive, it's a process steeped in history, science, and a touch of magic. And remember, behind every sealed envelope is a story of craftsmanship and dedication. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of gelatin. Until next time, keep appreciating the little things in life. Gelatin. It's a protein, a versatile and essential ingredient in many products we use daily. And like all proteins, it starts with something that was once alive. This connection to life is what gives gelatin its unique properties. In the case of royal envelopes, that something is usually cattle hides. These hides are a byproduct of the meat industry, ensuring that nothing goes to waste. They use the leftover hides from the meat industry, which is a great example of using everything possible and minimizing waste. This sustainable approach not only benefits the environment, but also ensures that the raw materials are of high quality. These hides arrive at the factory, and let me tell you, it's not a pretty sight. The raw hides are tough, smelly, and far from the smooth, clear sheets of gelatin we're used to seeing. They're tough, they're smelly, and they've got a long way to go before they become that smooth, clear sheet of gelatin we're used to seeing. The transformation process is intricate and requires precision at every step. But here's the thing, not all hides are created equal. The quality of the final product depends heavily on the quality of the raw materials. Royal Envelopes demands the best, and that means carefully selecting hides that meet their strict quality standards. This selection process is rigorous and involves multiple stages of inspection. They're looking for hides that are free from disease and damage, with the right texture and thickness. Each hide is meticulously inspected to ensure it meets the high standards required for royal envelopes. Only then can the transformation begin. The hides are cleaned, treated, and processed to extract the gelatin. This gelatin is then purified and refined to achieve the desired quality. The extraction process involves several steps, including soaking, boiling, and filtering. Each step is crucial to ensure the gelatin is of the highest quality. Once the gelatin is extracted, it is poured into molds and allowed to dry. This drying process is carefully monitored to ensure the gelatin sheets are smooth and clear. The final product is then inspected once more to ensure it meets the stringent quality standards of Royal envelopes. Only the best gelatin sheets are selected for use in their products. The result is a high-quality product that is not only functional, but also sustainable. Royal Envelopes takes pride in their meticulous sourcing and processing methods, ensuring that every envelope is made with the utmost care and precision. So the next time you use a Royal envelope, remember the journey it took from a humble cattle hide to a refined, elegant product. It's a testament to the dedication and craftsmanship that goes into every step of the process. And it's a reminder of the importance of sustainability and quality in everything we do. Royal Envelopes is committed to these principles, ensuring that their products are not only the best, but also environmentally responsible. Royal Envelopes, where quality meets sustainability. Now we're getting into the nitty-gritty. The first step is to give these hides a serious cleaning. We're talking about removing dirt, hair, and any other unwanted bits that might have hitched a ride from the slaughterhouse. This is a crucial step because any impurities in the raw material will affect the quality of the final gelatin. It's like making a stew. You wouldn't toss in dirty vegetables, would you? Once the hides are squeaky clean, they're chopped up into smaller pieces to make the next step easier. Then, they're off to take a long, relaxing bath. But this isn't your typical bubble bath. We're talking about soaking the hides in either an acidic or alkaline solution. This helps break down the tough collagen fibers in the hides, which is what will eventually transform into gelatin. Section 4. The alchemy of extraction. Boiling down to the essence. Now things start to heat up, literally. This is where the real transformation begins, where raw materials are turned into something entirely new and valuable. The chopped and pre-treated hides are transferred to massive stainless steel tanks. These hides have already undergone a series of preparatory steps to ensure they are ready for the extraction process. These aren't your grandma's cooking pots. We're talking industrial-sized behemoths. These tanks are designed to handle large volumes and withstand high temperatures, making them perfect for the task at hand. They're filled with hot water, and the hides are cooked, or more accurately, extracted, at carefully controlled temperatures. The water and heat work together to break down the collagen in the hides, which is the key ingredient in gelatin. This is where the magic really happens. The combination of heat and water causes the collagen fibers to unravel and dissolve, releasing the gelatin into the water. The heat and water work their magic on the collagen, breaking it down even further and releasing it from the hide. This process is known as hydrolysis, and it's a critical step in gelatin production. The whole process is carefully monitored by skilled technicians who are essentially gelatin chefs. These experts have a deep understanding of the science behind gelatin production and know exactly how to control the process to achieve the best results. They adjust the temperature and cooking time to ensure the highest yield and quality. This requires a delicate balance, as even small changes can have a big impact on the final product. Too hot, and you risk damaging the gelatin. High temperatures can cause the gelatin to break down too much, resulting in a lower quality product. Too cool, and you won't extract enough. If the temperature is too low, the collagen won't break down properly, and you'll end up with a lower yield. It's a delicate dance, and these guys are the masters of the moves. They have the experience and knowledge to navigate the complexities of the extraction process and produce high-quality gelatin every time. Once the gelatin is extracted, it goes through a series of filtration and purification steps to remove any impurities. This ensures that the final product is pure and safe for use in a variety of applications. The purified gelatin is then dried and processed into sheets, granules, or powder, depending on its intended use. This final step transforms the gelatin into a versatile ingredient that can be used in everything from food to pharmaceuticals. The end result is a high-quality gelatin that can be used in a wide range of products, from gummy candies to capsules for medication. It's a testament to the skill and precision of the technicians who oversee the extraction process. The successful extraction of gelatin is a cause for celebration, as it represents the culmination of a complex and carefully controlled process. The technicians take pride in their work and the high-quality product they produce. This industrial facility is where the magic happens, turning raw animal hides into a valuable and versatile ingredient. It's a fascinating process that combines science, skill, and a bit of alchemy to create something truly special. Section 5, purity in every sheet, filtering out the impurities. After hours of simmering, we're left with a hot, watery solution that contains our precious gelatin. But it's far from pure. Remember all that cleaning we did earlier? Well, some stubborn impurities always manage to stick around. That's where filtration comes in. The gelatin solution is passed through a series of increasingly fine filters. These filters trap any remaining bits of hide, fat, or other unwanted particles. One of the key players in this purification process is activated carbon. This stuff is like a magnet for impurities. It grabs onto any remaining traces of color, odor, or other contaminants, leaving behind a crystal-clear gelatin solution. This ensures that the final product is as pure as possible, meeting Royal Envelope's high standards.